What's up, everybody? It's Quentin from Capri AI, and I'm really excited to do this demo today because we had a use case actually brought up to us by a user saying, hey, whenever I get a form submitted on high level, I really want to be able to send an email from my Capri agent following up with that lead and make it customized to what they put in the form when they submitted it. Now, obviously, usually you have to do this manually, but with Capri and AI agents, you can do it completely on autopilot. So I'm going to dive into exactly how we do that. So I'll share my screen here. And as you can see, this is the form that a company would fill out when they're interested in working with us. So this is going to be pasted on our site somewhere. Right now, we've got it just the form up so you can see. But when somebody's interested, they'll fill out their information. So I'll put my name. And then I want to talk about project management and looking for help with a custom integration for GHL. So this is the type of request that we'll normally get. And of course, it's something we help with, and we want to make sure that we follow up as soon as possible. Now, to make this happen, we're going to have just a couple of automations set up. So the first automation that we're going to have set up is going to be in high level itself. We're going to have a workflow that looks just like this, that's triggering off of the form that we have pasted, and it's firing a webhook. Now, this webhook is going to make, and within make, we're going to take the request that we get from the high level webhook. We're going to do an HTTP request to our Capri AI account. But if you need to know how to get it, all you do is go to your organization tab in your Capri portal and go under tokens, and you should be able to create a new token. You'll set up your request body just like this, with the session ID set to be the contact ID, the agent to be the agent ID that you want to communicate with, and then the message is going to be the details from that form. So the name, the email, and the meeting request notes. So all of that will get passed into your Capri agent, and then the response will be a custom field that we update. So basically, we'll get a response from the agent that is the email that we want to send. And then we'll use this high-level lead connector app to actually connect to our high-level account, and we'll update the custom field with the final response data. And then the last step is going to be that this custom field got updated. So we have another workflow that is based off of whenever the response email custom field is updated. And whenever it's updated, we're going to send the email with just that variable that we updated as part of this automation. And the subject is just going to be following up on your website submission. So now that we have everything filled out, we're going to go ahead and click submit, and then we'll watch the automation run and we'll check on that contact. So now that the automation is finished running, we'll take a look at the contact request here, the contact record. And if we go under additional info, we'll see that we have the meeting request notes here. And then we do also have this field called response email. So this is a custom field that I built just for this purpose. And it has the entire response that the bot would send. And so if we click on it here, we can see the full message. We'd love to schedule an initial discovery call to go over your project in more details. And then it actually read my calendar and let them know what times were available. And so the way that it did that is if we come here into Capri, we have an agent here called Smart Email Outreach. I have my normal key attached to it, and my prompt just lets it know that its job is to, if there's enough details about what the person is looking for, to try and schedule that initial meeting. And we have the calendar read action here so that it can actually get the information from the calendar and then update that custom field and then send that initial email. So it's a very simple little functionality. One of our users brought it up to us, said that they were using it for that, and I thought it was super cool, and so I wanted to make a quick little video about it. If you want information on the prompt and stuff that we used, I'll make sure that I link a doc below this video so that you can have access to it. But other than that, I can't wait to see what you guys build with this, and we'll see you next time.